Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download mysql in Windows 11 10 at 7. So open any web browser. Now here guys, type this command, this address mysql.com. Press enter. Now here click on download. Now here you will see some version like enterprise edition cluster, and this is the community GPL downloads. So select this one, and here you will see some more options you can select as your need. Like for Windows, select this one. You can download for this Windows 32 or 64-bit. Select here operating system Microsoft, then download and install. A very small file, 5.5 MB. If you don't need archive, so click here no thanks, just start my download. So download and install mysql in your Windows. Thanks for watching, and if you need any help or queries, so comment, I will try to answer it. See ya.